I really fancy a nice, refreshing Sprite. But did you know you can use Sprite in cooking? I heard you could make Provençal peas using Sprite. Let's try it. Let's cook up some onions in oil. Sprite is a part of the Coca-Cola Company, but it was not developed in America. It was developed in West Germany. Time to add some petite, petite. Let's add a cup of Sprite. It was developed in 1959 and marketed under the name Clear Lemon Fanta. It didn't come to the States until 2 years later, in which it was called Sprite. Add a can of diced tomatoes. Sprite is available in almost every country in the world. You can use it to bake a cake. Thanks, Sprite. And a little black pepper. Peas Provençal with Sprite. It's like peas with a bite of lemon. I saw a 1,000-year-old oil stain. It was from ancient Greece.